thank you for accepting my interview. May I have your name, please?
My name is Jens Schumacher.
Okay, so what motivated you to attend this event?
I'm quite involved in the startup ecosystem in Australia, and we have a startup ourselves, and I worked a long time at Atlassian, so I figured I would share some of the insights that we have.
So having a product team at Atlassian and now as a founder of Release.so, could you provide insight into how automation in release notes impact both internal team alignment and external customer communication?
Yeah, I mean, it's a whole talk to answer that question, but I think like the thing to note is that communication is one of the last things teams think about, and it's probably one of the most important things. And whether that's communicating your changes to the customers, like product changes that you worked maybe a month or 2 months or half a year on, and then you don't communicate it well, or internally where people like the support team or the sales team needs to know about the changes that are coming up. It's just really, really important to make sure that all that hard work actually gets recognized and communicated well.
Yeah. So can you explain to me how an AI copywriter can transform Jira tickets into well-crafted release notes?
Yeah, I think it's just magic. That's how it works. Yeah, basically we look at the Jira ticket information, the context that you have on there. If there's more information like a spec, then we can transform that into like an end-user facing language and make it sound release, or adopt it to different functions as well, go more deep or higher level for the executive team, but more in depth for the support team. So it's all customizable.
Yeah. What best practice would you recommend for managing release notes in agile software development?
I think the most important thing is to do it consistently. So in a startup, like we, for example, release every week, and it gives us a good rhythm to communicate changes and forces us to actually get something done in that week. And for larger customers or larger companies, it might just be like every 2 weeks or every month. But getting a good rhythm and consistency into your process is really important.
Yeah, sure thing. So with your extensive experience at Atlassian, can you share insights into the evolution of product like Jira Software and Bitbucket?
Yeah, I mean, they have evolved so much, like from starting in the server world to the cloud. I think like Atlassian, what Atlassian is doing well is like really like continuously improving the products, and you've seen a large shift in the last 2 years where the products not only have gotten faster but also more integrated with kind of the ecosystem. They have been expanding a lot more, bringing more of the kind of whole process into Jira as a command center, and this just makes the work of the developer and engineering team much easier.
So as the founder and CEO of Release.so, how do you envision the future of agile software development and product releases?
Yeah, that's a good question, because there's obviously a lot of change with AI in this world. But I think the humans will still be important, but it will get a lot easier to build companies. For example, I just did a website in like 10 minutes as a mock-up for like a fake app for a demo. And that wasn't possible just like a year ago. So it's been changing so much, but I think it will just accelerate development and lead to like more products, higher quality products as well. But it's really hard to predict what's even just happening next year. So you just got to be agile and go with it and see where you can take your product and see how you can improve your customer experience.
Thank you for your answer, and that's all my question. Thank you for taking the interview, and I hope you have a successful event tonight.
Thank you.